We begin with breaking news. For weeks, doctors have been saying it's not a matter of if, but when, and that when is now. Corpus Christi has its first case of the coronavirus COVID-19. Thanks for joining us. I'm Seth Kovar. City and county leaders made that announcement a couple of hours ago. Our Jeff Dubroff was there when it happened, and he joins us now live from City Hall with all the information.
Seth, you mentioned it. This was not a matter of if, but when. As today, Nueces County officials and city officials confirmed the first positive case of COVID-19 in Nueces County. Today, this was a big deal. As Judge Barbara Canales, she told us, we knew this day would come. Now, Seth, I want to tell you a little bit about the patient that we're talking about. It is a male, age range of 45 to 55. Mayor Joe McComb says as of right now, he is quarantined and is being monitored by health officials. He is in good condition. Now, they say that this is a travel-related case. That is important to know. This is not community spread. They say the patient was up in Houston for a one-day business trip, and just a few days after returning, he had a fever, headache, and a cough. And then he was immediately placed in that quarantine and was tested. And as I mentioned, that test came back positive. It is the first positive test in Nueces County, and county officials and city officials today, they're just telling people that we're all in this together as they're trying to remain calm.
Everybody behind me, and so many more that could not be with us here today, are dedicated in this unified effort, and we will beat it. There are things that I'm going to ask you to do. You must stay informed. You must take care of yourself. You must learn to take care of each other.
There are a lot of rumors that are being spread through social media that need to stop. These rumors cause panic in the community. That is not needed today.
Now, one of those rumors that was mentioned, and Mayor Joe McComb brought up, that there is going to be a shelter in place here in Corpus Christi. That is not true. There is no shelter in place. Now, Judge Barbara Canales and the other city and county officials just urge everyone in the community to continue to practice safe social distancing and follow those CDC guidelines that are going to be laid out at least for the next 8 weeks. From outside City Hall, Jeff Dubroff, Chris 6 News. Seth?
Those tips are definitely worth repeating. Thank you, Jeff. Across the state, more coronavirus testing sites are opening, and that comes as we get word of more deaths. The state health department says that COVID-19 has killed a total of 5 people here in Texas. The first death was reported on Monday in Matagorda County. That's between Victoria and Houston. Since then, there have been coronavirus deaths in Tarrant, Collin, and Dallas counties up in the Metroplex. There has also been a death in Harris County, where Houston is.